Hello. Build a low-budget home server. 2U Rackmount NAS. More info in the description. Unboxing the NAS motherboard, CW-NAS-WL. This motherboard is a small mini-itx, has a specific white color, has 8 SATA outputs for hard drives. It comes with a Core i5-8265U processor, has 2 M.2 slots for SSDs. It is possible to add a third M.2 SSD to the PCIe X4 slot with an M.2 adapter, or to put a 10G SFP plus LAN card in that PCIe slot. The board has 2 integrated 2.5GB LAN ports, and it also has a slot for a micro SD card. It has 2 USB 3.0 ports on the back panel, but the motherboard also has a USB 3.0 output for connection on the front panel of the case. It has 1 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort connection, and much more detailed in the video description. First, we will open the case and remove the old motherboard. The motherboard I'm removing from the NAS is BK-NAS-N5105 MB with Intel N5105. Unscrew the screw holding the LAN PCI card and remove it. Disconnect all cables connected to the motherboard. Unscrew all screws holding the motherboard and remove it. Remove the motherboard shield. Remove M.2 SSD and RAM memory from the motherboard. Upgrade to a better motherboard. The M.2 SSD and RAM will be transferred to the new motherboard, installing RAM and M.2 SSD on a new NAS motherboard. Install motherboard shield. Installing the motherboard into the case and tightening the screws. Connect the cables for the ignition reset and ignition switch indicators, as well as the hard drive. Installation of PCIe LAN card 10G SFP+. Installing power cables for the motherboard. Connecting SATA cables for hard drives. Connect the USB 3.0 cable from the front of the case to the motherboard. More info in the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.